Good morning, world. I need to figure out how to close this door again. Done. Good morning, guys. We are going to the beach. I'm not sure which beach, but we were invited to go to the beach, so we just said yes because it's had the word beach in it. Cutest suburb though. I'm really glad we're staying here. We have the most amazing views from just around the corner of our apartment. Look how cool it is. Emma, did you actually brush your hair?
I did. This doesn't look like... I did like really brush it.
That's not really breakfast food, Emma. You could have a bagel for breakfast.
Eat it at breakfast. It is breakfast.
The steps are confusing. I feel like I should be taking bigger strides. Tourists.
Here comes the sun.
It's not really that sunny yet. The sky is still grey, but it's worth it. Emma, where are we? Beach! I really want to take some little things home from Venice, and I know that they're like broken and not that pretty, but I like it. That's cool.
And there was a black guy hiding behind it like a... hiding behind the tree, you know? Prego, prego.
Grazie.
Full party.
Full body.
È tutto
Buon
vicino,
appetito.
il
Buon
mare.
appetito.
Sì, sì, spettacolo.
L'unico problema è tirar su.
Yo, motherfucker!
Troia, troia, troia!
So we're back from the beach. I'm sunburned everywhere. Like, I haven't seen the sun for so long in Poland that seeing the sun in Italy has completely burnt my entire body. But it was worth it. It was amazing. Did you have a good time, Emma?
Loved it. And I'm so...
Nice and tanned. I'm so
Nice and tan.
tanned in my jeans.
Tan in my jeans. Look at this. So good.
So we're getting ready and we're actually going out on an exploration thing of Venice, and then I think we're going on a yacht.
Yeah,
I'm not
going
quite
on a
sure.
yacht.
I think we're going on a yacht. Yeah,
30-meter yacht.
couch surfing. Do it. Are you ready to party?
Let's see.
Oh yeah.
Did you get a first go?
try. First try.
Proud.
First try. Huh?
I said I'm proud of you.
Thank you. Hey, Shanae.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Where are we?
This fucking yard.
It's huge, guys. You have no idea. I'm obviously with
chiedi dalla mia carriera. Bello così però, Questa l'ha fatta 3,50 in alta stagione?
In alta stagione sì, altissimo, cioè il periodo di private bathroom, the air condition,
And TV.
yeah, TV and Wi-Fi.
And Wi-Fi.
Yeah.
Fuck. Oh, yeah.
Yes, yes.
Well, if you have to pay $200, you need a Hulu.
E qua c'hai...
Però volevo alla giudecca, quelli con cui andiamo a comprare.
incredible. The food smells incredible.
Trying to leave Venice in a few minutes.
Oh, it's
Everything
like
is going to be
We are
alright.
going down
The weather is
to
on
Australia.
25
We're going
degrees.
down. It's fine.
Little bit windy from the west. And there is a...
Mayjay? What's Mayjay mean?
Mayjay's not I'm gonna say. How do you say it?
I hope you're going to feel alright.
Mayjay's not a word. You mean like a
Mayjay.
It's not Mayjay. It's not. It's like I can't even think the word, but it's not Mayjay.
Mayjay. Iceberg. We're going down.
Isn't it like? I don't even remember now, but it doesn't sound right.
No, io sto rompendo i coglioni all'aereo, sto tipo da lì che abbiamo fatto gli investimenti più importanti nel senso di soldi per cose meno importanti.
No.
I'm in a boat. I could be anything I like.
Entreremo un po' in attrito.
Oh my god, I can't believe I'm in a boat. It's amazing.
Questa città è un'attrice. Perché se noi dobbiamo
I feel like I could get into races with people like,
però allora anche
my boat's bigger than yours, and just run them over. Like,
dire che
dead.
certe scelte cioè.
I'm recording you.
La cupola, it's an architectural thing which is amazing. It's unique. It's unique in the world. You don't find this kind of things anywhere else. So dirty. No. Stop doing this. You're super bad.
Your entire leg is soaked. Oh my god. Did you have a good fall? So when you went to Venice, did you have a good trip? You can't see. We can lighten it in the video. Hey guys, it's our last day in Venice. It's very Saturday actually. I kind of want to live in Venice.
It's beautiful here. Absolutely stunning.
We were actually walking past all these places where they have like, you know, how much it costs to buy apartments. We're like, oh, just daydreaming. Like, I could just buy a place in Venice with plants and just like, oh, so it'll happen hopefully one day in maybe my dreams, but most likely not real life. But yeah, so we went on a yacht last night. What else did we do? Oh yeah, we went to the beach. I'm so sunburnt all over, but luckily it's all covered. So went to the beach, went on a yacht, went exploring today. Emma did some shopping and bought herself a nice little overalls.
Overall?
Yeah. We took heaps of photos and yeah, I mean it's so far been absolutely fantastic. And tomorrow we are going to Bologna, so we'll see you guys there. Bye.